Sentences of has plus third form of verb. She has eaten lunch. He has completed his project. It has rained all day. The dog has dug a hole. She has learned a new skill. He has broken his toy. The baby has fallen asleep. She has baked a cake. He has washed the car. The book has been read. Sentences of have plus third form of verb. I have finished my work. They have gone home. We have seen that play. You have done a great job. They have visited Paris. I have lost my wallet. We have completed the project. They have built a house. You have learned a lot. We have made dinner. Sentences of had plus third form of verb. She had eaten breakfast. He had finished his homework. He had left early. I had seen that movie before. We had visited the museum. You have forgotten your keys. The cat climbed the tree. She had met him before. He had written a letter. They had bought a new car.